Welcome to Jenbacher, Austria, home of INNIO Jenbacher and the global headquarters of the INNIO Group. We have produced innovative gas engines here since 1957. To date, our more than 1,700 employees have designed, engineered and built more than 23,000 Jenbacher gas engines which power industries and municipalities with sustainable, reliable and economical power in more than 100 countries. Today, we are leading providers of renewable gas and hydrogen-rich solutions and services for power generation at or near the point of use, also providing lifecycle support and digital solutions from right here in Jenbach. We are proud that our 65,000 square meter advanced manufacturing facility was named Geo Factory of the Year in 2017 and invite you to discover it via this virtual tour. Thank you for your interest in INNIO Jenbacher, where we deliver innovative technology driven by sustainability, decentralization, and digitalization to help lead the way to a greener future.